It's looking more and more likely that we are going to have a weak La Nina this winter. What does that mean, and how could that impact Colorado's winter weather? I broke down the numbers. In fact, I spent a ton of time looking at the numbers. So here's generally what to expect. First of all, La Nina, what that means, cooler than average sea surface temperatures in the Central Pacific. The Central Pacific Ocean, it's huge, right? The Pacific Ocean, by far the largest body of water in the world, has a domino effect of weather across the rest of the globe. Typically what that means for us in North America is that we tend to see a wetter than average winter in the Pacific Northwest, and some of that trickles down across our northern mountains, often a lot of cool stretches for the northern stretch of the US as well, and often a drier and warmer winter for the southwestern US. However, I ran a lot of numbers. I did a lot of nerdy number digging over the last little while. So I looked back over the last 6-week La Ninas, and there is a distinct trend in terms of what that means for Colorado's winters. First of all, in Denver, it means a much lower than average snowfall. In fact, we, in our last 6-week La Ninas, have had only about 2/3 of the snowfall that we typically expect here in Denver. In fact, 2 of our 5 lowest snowfalls on record for us in Denver came in weak La Ninas within the last 30 years. So, in Denver, if you're a snow lover, you do not like the fact that there is a weak La Nina. In the mountains, though, there's actually a trend the other way, and actually kind of bucks the conventional theory around La Ninas that it brings more active weather to our northern mountains. Our northern mountains, about average. Our southern mountains, though, we've actually had some really notably active winters in weak La Ninas. Most recently, the 2022-2023 winter, which was a record snow event for the San Juans, that was actually also the product of a weak La Nina, and that, well, the totals were record-breaking for us in the San Juans. So, if you're in the mountains, maybe you like the fact that there's a weak La Nina. In Denver, though, if you're a Denver snow lover, you probably don't like the fact that we have a weak La Nina.